Today we're turning our apple scraps into apple cider vinegar. I have been collecting my apple cores, 2 jars, 3/4 of the way full of apple cores. Stir until it dissolves. So now the apples are completely submerged. Now we want to make sure these stay submerged, so we use a little weight. Cover with a cheesecloth. I use my nut milk bag, the bugs out. And you wait 4 weeks. Hello and welcome back. Now we're checking on our apple cider vinegar that we've been fermenting for the past 2 to 4 weeks. That looks pretty fermenty. Smells very vinegary. I'm going to strain the vinegar and pour it into another jar. Wow, how good does that look? Jar number 2. Homemade apple cider vinegar for all the cleaning needs. From laundry to general purpose cleaning to glass cleaning to shining up metal, this vinegar does it all. Give your jar a label so you don't accidentally drink it, and you can compost all your apple scraps. 0 waste!